Well, that was our maiden voyage on the pond, and felt pretty good. It's a little, you know, wider than a traditional kayak, but it feels good. I just have to get used to it again and the feel of it again. But I like the idea that you can do it on your knees, or you could stand up if you wanted to, and still, once you get your balance.
Yeah, they're pretty stable. The bigger one is a lot more stable, but it's wider and longer, so it's supposed to be.
Yeah. But for mine, just to paddle around in, and even have the granddaughter in there, she would like that. But yeah, that's sufficient. Just, and then of course the water. You know, you're going to get water in there just from the paddles, and that's not an issue.
We're going to have to get some waterproof pants.
In the wintertime, because in the summertime I don't care to get wet, but in the wintertime it's cold. So, I have to build up my muscles.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. It's work.
Yeah, not too
It
bad.
feels good though.
Yeah, it feels wonderful.
But you don't have to work that hard. You
Yeah.
can go just a comfortable pace, and it's not taxing. So
Yeah.
when you're going against the wind, or if we get in some current, it's going to be
rough. Like when we went out the other day scouting, and I was thinking about that wind, and I thought, boy, to get on that water like that would be,
Yeah,
we would be stranded.
couldn't hardly do that.
Yeah, we'd just be let the wind take us wherever it's going to take us.
Out on open water, you couldn't anyway. But I don't intend on getting on much big
Yeah.
open water anyway.
Yeah. But,
Mostly some sloughs and ditches and creeks.
yeah, it'll be nice. I enjoy it. I like being on the water. Especially today, it's a beautiful day today.
Especially for
Man.
February, it's just unreal.
I know. It's just-
70 degrees.
yeah. And it's been so rainy, but yeah, it's a really nice day today.
This wait, it's gonna change. I think it's supposed to start raining and
Yeah.
rain and rain and rain. We've had a lot of it this winter.
And we'll keep the fire going. And then we burn our, it's too hot, gotta get out of the house, then we get cold again. It's hard to moderate the temperature.
I stay pretty comfortable. She's hot and she's cold and she's hot and she's cold.
Well, I'm a woman of mature age, and I'm going through all of those wonderful changes. Naturally, so yeah. That's a whole nother segment. Lucky man, lucky man. Anyway. Oh.
We just call yours Junior.
No, mine's the tag along. What are you going to call yours? You never did decide on a name.
Just the boat.
First it was like, the something coot. Crazy coot or something coot. And then it was, what did you do? Oh, the silent death. And I was like, what? That's what them varmints are going to hear, silent death. I was like, what? Oh, brother.
Half-baked herring.
That, no. And we talked about that being mine. I said, no, half-baked is not a very complimentary term. And so we'll just leave it at the tag-along. That's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm just tagging along. You know?
Well, I'm going to be using it too.
Yeah, but that's when you're by yourself. But when we're together, that's mine. Well, that's mine. I'm letting you borrow it.
Hmm.
When you,
Maybe I'm just letting you borrow it.
no, I'm letting you borrow it because that's mine. Got my art on there.
Well, I'll help with it.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, maybe a little. I forgot just a little bit.
Yeah. Well, you painted over what I did, so.
Well, it was the color. Yeah, the color was too bright. It didn't look right. It was too light caramel. I thought it was going to be a little darker brown. Didn't look right. And you agreed it was too much.
Yeah, it's starting to look like a hippie thing from the 60s there for a while.
Yeah, it was going to be too much. But I like it. Well, I can
Well,
honestly
they were
say,
a success.
yeah, it worked really well. Very well.
I don't know how long they'll hold together, but they should be easily fixed if they do get damaged.
Yeah. And it's definitely not going to sink. We're not going to get, unless they just explode or break in half, even then we'll still
Even
have
then they wouldn't sink.
well, I was going to say, yeah, we'll have something to hold on to for, for dear life, a flotation device. But now I can add kayaks to my painting resume. Now all I need is a bus to paint. I want to paint a bus.
Kayaks.
Okay, wow, that looks great on my painting resume. Yes, I've painted that. Yeah.
Parokanukiak.
Parokanuki. Ah.